Well, today we're doing this an experiment to see if a jolt can shoot farther when it's underwater. Let's see. This is how far it shoots without water. Now, let's see.
Where did it go?
Over there. Wait, no, Colin. I got an extra bullet.
This is
now.
how.
Let's see how far it can shoot with a regular bullet.
And we're
when
gonna
it's underwater. One.
There's a sailboat coming by. Okay. We're also filling up.
Now, you should dunk it underwater for about 20 seconds. That would be perfect. Now
Okay.
watch how far it can go.
Okay, let's try this again.
No.
Remember to shake it out.
Okay, let's see the results.
Which shoot further?
Where's the other bullet?
Here is the bullet with water. The basketball marks how far it went for the one underwater. Where the baseball marks for how longer it shoots
Over here.
for the regular bullet. Now, this blue jolt shoots 5 feet further. Wow.
Yes, I keep. Remember to keep a bullet in there so it doesn't get filled with water all the way.